In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a Google Docs document quickly and efficiently. Whether you're collaborating with international colleagues, learning a new language, or just need to share your document with a broader audience, Google Docs has a built-in translation feature that makes this process a breeze. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. To do this, head over to docs.google.com and make sure you sign in with your Google account. If you haven't already, locate the document you need to translate. Once you're signed in, navigate to your Google Docs homepage where all your documents are listed. Open the specific document that you'd like to work with today. This step is the starting point for enabling the translation process, and it's important to ensure you're in the correct document. Next, we'll dive into using the Translate Document feature within Google Docs. Begin by moving your cursor to the top of the interface where you'll see the menu bar. Here, you'll want to click on Tools. A drop-down menu will appear presenting a variety of options. Among these, select Translate Document. This handy feature is what will allow us to convert the content of your document into another language effortlessly. Upon selecting Translate Document, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. It's a pretty straightforward dialog box designed to guide you through the basic details needed for translation. You'll first need to enter a name for the translated copy. This could be as simple as adding the target language to the original file name to help you identify it later. Naming your translated document distinctively not only helps with organization, but also avoids any confusion between your original and translated documents. The next step in the same pop-up is to choose the target language for your translation. You'll find a drop-down menu listing various languages supported by Google. Simply scroll through the list and click on the language you'd like your document to be translated into. It's that easy. Once you've selected your desired language, the next move is to click Translate. As you follow through by clicking Translate, Google Docs takes a few moments to work its magic. In no time, it will generate a new document containing your translated text. This new document retains the original formatting, which is incredibly convenient. Now, your translated document will open automatically in a new tab, ready for you to view and make any further edits if necessary. Take a moment to review the translation carefully. While Google Docs does a fairly good job, it's always wise to proofread and make minor adjustments to ensure the translation conveys exactly what you need it to. Sometimes there are nuances in language that automated translations might miss, so double-checking its accuracy can be beneficial. And there you have it, a fully translated document using Google Docs, prepared and ready for whatever purpose you need. This feature is a real time saver and opens up a world of possibilities for sharing and collaborating across language barriers. Thanks for following along, and happy translating!